Another day, another vlog. So for this morning, it's early in the morning. So today the sun is very hot. So before I give food to my chicken, I will visit to all of them. So to make it sure that all my chicken is fine. So I just leave the food here. Pin. So I'm going to look at for my chicken. So this is my first talisayon chicken. Hope it's clear. So when you visit your chicken, so that it will close to you, you need to talk to them. It's like, hello chicken, how are you? Okay, fine. So we move to another chicken. Say hello to your chicken so that your chicken will be close to you. About this one here. Before I give you some foods, I just take a video on your chicken. So how are you chicken? So we move to another chicken here. So that is nice, very nice color together with the one inside the smallest one chicken. So how are you chicken? Musta po kayo? So okay lang. So by the way, we pass at my fish pan. So no more fish. There is only one fish. You cannot see the fish. So, oh, what happened to you, my friend? No, go this way. You'll get the wrong way. So that way. So how about your chicken? They're okay? So nice, very nice chicken. And also, this chicken had to be taken care of it because it's not close. It will afraid if you touch it. Come on, chicken. So every now and then, you need to touch your chicken so that it will close to you. So very nice chicken. So we have another one chicken here. Then my favorite. Oh, what happened? Where's my chicken? Maybe somebody get my chicken. So I need to try to ring the bell so that maybe there's something in here. So I need to put some food, then call all the chicken for counting because we got one lost chicken. So I need to ring the bell so that the chicken will come out here. Then I give him food. Hopefully it will return home. The chicken coming home. So chicken. That it goes the chicken. My favorite chicken got lost. Oh, I see. There's it. Hopefully I can catch him. I give some food so that it will to me because you know that I will catch him. We got a problem. He go away. So just get the camera and follow the chicken. So here he is. The chicken that got lost on the rope. So I'm going to get. Maybe the rope is too big for the chicken. The chicken has a small feet. So the problem is how to catch that one. Just always walk. That is the problem because if somebody can get this chicken, this is a nice, very nice chicken, and it is not a local chicken. That's important. But the problem is I just keep on following him. He will not go to me and compared to the other one that I can hold it. So I just off this video, then try to catch this chicken. This one, my favorite one. Then after I catch that, I will share it to you. So this time I try to have a chicken trap. It got loose. Come on, chicken, get inside. Come on, chicken, inside. Look at the chickens. Okay, 2 feet. Move a little. So the chicken know that there's a trap. Come on, chicken, inside. Okay. Whew. The chickens very careful to repeat. They know that there's a trap. They did not go forward. They know that there's a pod. That is a plenty of pod on the circle of the string. But they prefer to eat outside. Come inside. Okay, I got it. I got my chicken. With the use of the small string, I got my chicken. So and the rope is very tight so that they cannot get away. Okay, so I need to, where's the rope? There. I need to get the rope and tie it again. This is the rope of the chicken that we use. Then maybe that's why it get lost, because the hole is very big for them. So what I did, I make a double up tight so that it cannot be get lost anymore. So where can I sit? So just standing on here. So the secret of old, what we call old style to make the chicken close to you, especially this chicken is not yet close to me. So anyway, this is a young chicken. So an old way, they split the saliva on the what we call this flap of the chicken or the wings of the chicken here, that side. Then you just go like that, then the chicken will be close to you. That is the old style in our place. Since my lolo are doing this before, then I learned to them. But since it's not very, since it is very ugly to hear or very dirty to hear of that using your saliva, so you just use water. So like this one here, I pick up this one. Water. Put here kili-kili. You put a kili-kili water here on the other side here. Then that's it. The chicken will become close to you. So for this morning, I get wrong about what I'm doing is supposed to video one by one of my chicken, then to share it to you. Then that is what happened when I go on the last side of my chicken. My chicken got loose. So I try to put some backup tie on my of this chicken so that it cannot be get loose. So let's share this video for anyone who raise some chicken. So that's what I'm doing for chicken here. So all of my chicken is a very nice color. So thank you again. God bless you all. Bye-bye. See? The chicken is now behave what I'm doing. So I put a rope it here, double rope. double tight. Then the chicken is behave now. So it's lying down. Then stand up. Stand up. Oops. Look at the chicken. Then stand up. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. Hey, where are you going? Do not go there. There's an electrical there. Oh, where are you going? So cut the